H2C Mario. Is he in the game?
Hello, hello everyone. This is a great day. A day where I improve my setup dramatically. What you're seeing behind there, right here, is the Bamboo H2C combo printer. And I already have an extra AMS that I opened right here. Life is good, guys. And I got the combo of nozzles as well. I can show here 2 more 0.4s and more of the 0.6s. And they send you as well this. So I got the H2C combo plus the nozzle and another AMS basically. So today I'm gonna open it and set it up with the 2 AMSs, and then I'm gonna move this AMS. I'm printing racks as well for them, but I'm gonna move this AMS into the other AMS, and I'm gonna have this machine, as it's designed to be the bomb, basically the ultimate in multicolor printing. The best in the market almost. Like, let's not talk about price, 3,399 Australian dollars or 3,899 with this version I got. But it's got another AMS, so it is pretty good. And I can't wait to have this baby firing with 12 colors loaded up as the multicolor monster that I'm gonna have set up all the time. Right there, in the beautiful space that awaits, that I already cleared up. I'll show you my setup when I'm done, but today it's about unveiling this animal, this absolute fantastic, beautiful printer. So here's the box. For a little comparison, if you want, here. So it is a pretty big box, right? For a pretty big, heavy printer as well. First thing first, we're gonna cut and show you guys what we have inside this toolbox. So we do have a lateral already support, which is good, and you can put your PLA tube in there, which is good too. You have some connections here, including a 4 connector, which is fantastic because I'm going to have 3 AMSs, so good to see. More silica gel, some hot heads here, and the toolbox per se, I suppose, with instructions, of course. I think always good to have this handy. Let me just put this here for a second. And let's see. This deserves a little printed toolbox. If you guys can see that. But it's got a hot end of 0.4. It's got the 2 Allen tools that we're definitely gonna need. You might as well get them out. Because we will need these bad boys no matter what. Camera primary cover for scraper. The rest I'm just gonna leave here very nice and pretty, but I will need those Allen keys. That I am 100% absolute sure. Ish. Now, do you think you can we can move this now. Just the machine, yeah? Do you think we can move it up there?
In the bag.
Yes. Pull it under, yeah. It's very heavy. Yeah. Sideways here. So see the size of this monster. Alright. And this is the little red plug that you need to put in or it doesn't work. So don't lose it. And put it in there. Yeah, I can watch. Look at this.
I don't want to be in the video at all. Okay.
Just putting my just putting my top plate there so I can access a few more shenanigans from here. So right away there's this huge foam and there's a lot of stuff to cut here. In her new house where she's gonna live. The beautiful H2C. Now, let's get those Allen keys that are just right here. And there will be definitely a few screws to remove. But you see how it comes directly. I'll show you. Directly comes with screws. The AMS is here. So first thing, remove these 4 screws. Right, and then go from there and just follow the prompts. Look, there's another thing to remove. There's more foam everywhere. A lot of stuff to remove. Let's go. Okay, so I have basically connected this AMS 100% there. And now I'm tempted to daisy chain this, but I don't really have the space to go on this level of luxury right now. English. Asia Pacific. Yeah. That's my Wi-Fi. Hey. Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. I'm at the top there. So, it is doing its calibrations here. It is quite an impressive printer in size. This thing is not going to stay there. I want a rack of 3 here, hopefully. The third one should be like here, really high. Which might be a bit annoying, so I don't even know. Maybe a 2 rack. Something that works anyway. See what we can find. And here we are. Our bamboo lab. The AMS is still needing recognition, but it finished all the updates. Now it's saying, let's get started. Let's go and set up the hot ends. Firmware update to finish it off. Just never, ever, ever ends. But I'm almost there. I'm tired. It's been a long day. It's been long days. But it's here. The 2 AMSs are there. My nozzle system is moving. This is on the last little refreshing update. I will put my things away, pretty much, but here it is, in all its splendor now. With the beautiful AMSs connected, fantastic, all working, doing its little update. And finally, my setup is getting together. Jesus. After putting this together, updating the firmware, printing this amazing rack for my 3 AMSs that are now on my H2C, fully complete, loaded, creating a massive sonic for my son, and off it goes. Doing its little vortex dance, and I'm printing another rack to put here in the corner that's going to go up with some filaments, but I managed to put everything in this corner, which is very important to me. And little happy ending as well. For my other side, in my other drawer, I managed to print a lid for it. Put my little shenanigans on top. I have some rubber TPU printed mats underneath, and it works like a charm. It's absolutely glorious. Very happy. Yeah.
C. M. Mario. Is he in the game?